Hello to everyone. So now I'm going to show how to register your institution. It can be a club or a soccer school if you are a manager at this institution. First, we have to go to the TacticUP website. So just have to type tacticup.com.br and then you have to click at Football Professional Login. Just here. In case you are already registered on the platform, you just have to insert your information here. But if you are not, you just can click here to register. So I will insert my information here, and then the password, and then click at login. Okay, these options will appear. You just have to click here to register club. Insert the name of your institution. Choose the category. You just have to choose what best fits to you, to your context. Okay, the city and the country. And insert the address. You also can choose the logo of your club. And that's it. It's very quick and very simple to create a club at the TacticUP platform. So finally, you just have to click at create.